Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about jagged arrays in Java. A jagged array is an array of arrays where each subarray can have a different size or length. Unless in C and C++ where each subarray must have same length, but in Java we can have different length subarrays. So this feature in Java is called jagged arrays. For example, int jagged array is equals to new int of 3. 3 is the outer length of jagged array where subarrays of length first subarray is 4 and second subarray length is 2 and third subarray length is 3. For example, seating arrangement in a theater. Imagine a movie theater with multiple rows, but each row has a different number of seats. Row 1 have 5 seats, row 2 have 7 seats, and row 3 have 9 seats. This irregular seating arrangement can be represented using a jagged array. And we see the visual representation. We take in array is equals to new int of size 3 and subarrays of length 3, 4, 5. The assigning is same as 2D array where we can use indices to assign values. And this is in first subarray of size 3 with the elements 1, 2, 3 and second subarray of length 4 with elements 4, 5, 6, 7 and third subarray with length 5 having elements 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then how to find number of elements in jagged array? To find the number of elements, we take the same example array with the outer size 3 and inner size in subarrays of sizes 4, 3, 2. And this is a representation where outer size is 3 and subarrays of size 4, 3, 2. Then how to find the number of elements in a jagged array? That is 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is 9. Then how to find? Is there any inbuilt method or we have to find external? Let's see. We have length property to find the length of an array as I told in my previous video. But this property returns only the outer length of array, that is 3. Then how to find the number of elements in jagged array? To get total length, we have to iterate through outer dimension. Let's take an example. First, declaration and initialization of jagged array. So here we take the same example with the first subarray of length 4 and second subarray of length 3 and third subarray of length 2. Assigning is through the indices and using length property we can only find the outer length, that is 3, and to find the total length we have to iterate through the subarrays. First take the first subarray and use length property and then add to the total length. Like that, iterate through all the subarrays and find the total length. Then the total length here is 9. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.